welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for cryptocurrency education platform. So here I am running an academy in which I am teaching cryptocurrency. So to promote my academy I am running a Facebook ad. So in this case I want whenever a new lead is received, automatically the details of that lead should be added in my Google Sheets. So to automate this process, we will use an automation software named Pabbly Connect, in which we need to connect a trigger and an action. So in this process, our trigger application will be Facebook lead ads and our action application will be Google Sheets. So to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video, we are going to learn how to add your Facebook leads to Google Sheets automatically for cryptocurrency educational platform. So here I have a Facebook page for my academy named as Crypto Matrix, and to promote my academy I am running a Facebook ad. So in this case I want whenever a new lead is generated, automatically the details of that lead should be added in my Google Sheets which I have created. So to automate this process we will use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. This is the homepage of Pabbly Connect. You can visit this page by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. Now here you can see two options, sign in and sign up free. If you are a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. After signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to connect my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see a create workflow button on the top right corner. Here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this button. In this create workflow dialog box, you have to give a name to your workflow. Here I'm giving the name as Crypto Matrix Facebook lead ads to Google Sheets. And now I'm going to select my folder as Facebook lead ads to Google Sheet. You can select your folder accordingly. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now I'm going to click on this create. Here in this workflow window, you can see two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin our automation by setting up a trigger. Here I'm going to select my trigger application as Facebook lead ads and my trigger event as new lead instant. So here I've selected my trigger event as new lead instant because I want whenever a new lead is generated, instantly Pabbly Connect should capture the response. And now to connect my Facebook lead ads account with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Facebook lead ads account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now I'm going to click on this connect with Facebook lead ads. Here I'm going to select my Facebook account and authorization is successful. Now moving forward, here it is asking me to select a page. Here I'm going to search for my page which is named as Crypto Matrix. And then it is asking me for lead gen form. So here in my Meta Business Suite, you can see all the lead ads form which I have created for my use. You can also create your own lead ad form as per your need. Now going back to Pabbly, here I will select my lead gen form as admission form. So here I've selected a particular form because I want only the leads of this form should be captured by Pabbly Connect. But if you want the leads of all the forms should be captured by Pabbly Connect, then you can select all lead gen forms. And now I'm going to click on this save and send test request. So here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response, that means here we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, let me take you to Meta for Developers. This is the homepage of Meta for Developers. From here we are going to click on this more, and from here I'm going to select tools. In this developer tools, I'm going to select lead ads RU debug tool. Here in lead ads testing tool, I'm going to select my page which is named as Crypto Matrix. After selecting the page, I'm going to select my form which is admission form, and now to submit a new lead, I'm going to click on this preview form. So here I've entered a dummy data with full name dummy user, email as dummy@pabblytunes.com and a random phone number. And now I'm going to click on this next and then submit. So here you can see it says your test lead has been sent. So now let's move back to Pabbly. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the full name, email, phone number and other details. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger. Now let's move to action step. Here I'm going to select my action application as Google Sheets and my action event as add new row. Because I want whenever a new lead is generated, automatically the details of that lead should be added in my Google Sheets as a new row. And now I'm going to click on this connect. Again here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Google Sheets account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now I'm going to sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my account. And then I'm going to give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. And authorization successful. So here I have already shown you my Google Sheet which I have created with the name admission form. So here in Pabbly I'm going to select my Google Sheet which is named as admission form. And then I'm going to select my sheet as sheet 1. And now you can see it is asking for name, email and phone number. So basically these are the fields which I have entered in my Google Sheet. So instead of entering the data here manually, here I will map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here we will map the data from the response we have received in our Facebook lead ads. So here I am going to map the full name. Moving forward, here I am going to map the email. And then here I am going to map the phone number. So here I am done with mapping all my data and now I am going to click on save and send test request. So here we have received a successful response. So let's check our Google Sheet. So here you can see we have received a successful response with name dummy user, email as dummy@pabblytunes.com and a phone number. So with this we have successfully set up our automation. Now let's test our automation to check whether it is working or not. So to test our automation we need to submit a new lead. And for that let me take you back to lead ads testing tool. So here in lead ads testing tool we need to delete our previous lead in order to create a new one. Because it says you can create one lead per form, you will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So here I am going to click on this delete lead. After clicking on delete lead, we need to refresh our window and that's a necessary step. Again here in lead ads testing tool, I am going to select my page which is named as Crypto Matrix and my form which is named as admission form. And now to submit a new lead, I am going to click on this preview form. So here I have entered another dummy data where full name is test lead, email is test@pabblytunes.com and a random phone number. And now I'm going to click on this next and then submit. So again it says your test lead has been sent. So let's check our Google Sheet. And here you can see we have received another successful response where we have received the name as test lead, email as test@pabblytunes.com and a phone number. So with this we have successfully tested our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken a trigger application as Facebook lead ads and an action application as Google Sheets. So that whenever a new lead is generated, automatically the details of that lead should be added in our Google Sheets. If you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can contact us on our website that is www.pabbly.com. If you liked our video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.